India's historic T20 World Cup 2026 victory triggered celebration across the country and congratulatory messages quickly poured in from political leaders, cricket legends and Bollywood celebrities. The Indian team clinched the title with a dominant 96-run win over New Zealand in the final at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, defending a massive 255 for 5 as the Kiwis were bowled out for 159. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was among the first to congratulate the team, posting on social media, "Champions, congratulations to the Indian team on winning the ICC Men's T20 World Cup. This remarkable triumph reflects exceptional skills, determination and teamwork." His message echoed the pride felt across the nation. Cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar also praised the historic achievement, calling India totally deserving and rightfully winners, while highlighting the significance of the team becoming the first side to win back-to-back T20 World Cups. Former captain Virat Kohli, who recently stepped away from the format, also celebrated the moment online, describing the performance as a phenomenal win and applauding the team's explosive cricket throughout the tournament. Bollywood celebrities joined the nationwide celebrations as well. Ajay Devgn congratulated the team and praised their determination, while Akshay Kumar shared patriotic message celebrating the victory. Actor Anushka Sharma also expressed joy at the historic win, while South superstar Mahesh Babu extended his congratulations, showing how triumph united fans across the country and industry. Behind the celebration was a dominant performance on the field. India posted a towering total of 255 for 5, setting the tone for the finals. The bowling attack then sealed the victory, led by Jasprit Bumrah, whose sensational spell of 4 for 15 dismantled New Zealand's batting lineup. Axar Patel also played a crucial role with 3 wickets, ensuring the target remains out of reach. One of the standout stars of the tournament was Sanju Samson, who finished as player of the tournament with 321 runs, capping off a remarkable campaign for the hosts. The victory marked India's third T20 World Cup title and their first consecutive triumph, creating a historic milestone in the format. From packed streets in Ahmedabad to celebration across cities like Mumbai and Delhi, fans poured out in joy, turning the win into a nationwide festival. With leaders, sport legends and film stars all celebrating together, the moment once again proved that cricket remained one of the strongest unified forces in India. This is Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.